Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to get logo quiz filter on Instagram. So guys, most of the people wants the latest features, latest Instagram filter. So before starting the videos, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting time, let's go to my Instagram here. And then after going to the Instagram, you can see here on the left side your story option. So let me just click on your story option, and then guys, you can see here this option. So just click here, and then you can see here. So it's pretty simple. You can see here we can change the logo. So you can see here. So guys, if you don't find this sticker, what you have to do, you have to just go square here, and then what you have to do here, you have to click on here. You can see you have to click on this option here, and then after this what you have to do, I will show you. So guys, in the search bar option on the top right of your screen, you can see here just what you have to write here. You have to write here logo QWIZE. So after writing here, you just need to search here. So it is not coming out, so what you have to do, let me uh, just write logo QUIZE. So now let me just search, not coming out. So what you have to do, you have to just write logo. Okay, so after writing logo, so you can see here, after writing logo, just write Q option, and then let me just search, and then you will find here, you can see here QUIZE. Sorry, my spelling was a bit wrong. Now you can just click on try it option, and then guys, you can see here. So guys, it's pretty cool. So please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.